Oh, hi guys! This is Marshall's Studios Forever here. Marshall's Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today from the vacuum cleaner community today. Also, I'm doing a vacuum cleaner video on my black Hoover runabout upright vacuum. Was made in 1996 until the year 98. This machine was made in the year 96, and this is the vacuum cleaner what Grayson's Vacuums and Mower has, and I got this vacuum cleaner for Christmas last year on Christmas Day. A friend of mine gave it to me. My friend Ryan gave it to me. One of my older friends gave it to me, and he found it when he was working on remodeling the houses in downtown Oklahoma. He found this vacuum cleaner, and the machine still works, and the headlight still works. And I remember when I turned it on, the brush wasn't spinning at the time. It might be the belt had snapped off, and I finally putting a brand new belt. I cleaned the brush rolls off of it, and I put a brand new bag in there. I furbished it, I polished it, and I made it brand new. And first of all, I wanted to say to you guys, this is one of my favorite vacuums in my collection, and I always wanted to keep this forever. And first of all, I love older Hoover soft bags. I'm just going to stick with the older Hoover soft bags in the hard box brand from the 90s. And first of all, I'm going to stick with the older Hoovers from the 80s and 90s and early 2000s brands. And first of all, I wanted to make sure I wanted to do is run the vacuum, and I felt like it because I'm really bored and I really need to go buy some more bags for it pretty soon. And first of all, and I'm going to give this machine a run, and this is the vacuum cleaner I had since the year 2022 when I got it, and it looks brand new, by the way. Well, first of all, I'm going to turn on the switch for you guys. I wanted to do this, and I'm going to give this machine a run. 3, 2, 1, action. So the headlight doesn't work. I have to go buy a new headlight for it. Man, this is way quieter. Not too loud, not too bad at all. Well, Well, everybody, this machine was made in 1996. This machine is about 27 years old. And this will be 28 years old in 2024. And for first of all, you guys, I'm going to go buy some more bags I'm going to use this vacuum cleaner more the most. And for first of all, I'm just going to stick with the Hoover soft bag. And I'm going to stick with the older ones for now on. And because they're way better. And I'm just going to do things in the old-fashioned way. And use that vacuum cleaner the whole time. And for first of all, I'm taking things in the old-fashioned way to use a older vacuum. Not to vacuum up pennies or nails at all. Because you have to get the shop vac to do that. And for first of all, I wanted to say about this Hoover Runabout soft bag upright vacuum. This is one of my favorite vacuums at all times, and this is pretty old school. This looks brand new for my whole life, and for first of all, it's not that messed up or anything. It does get dirty when I first got it. When I first got it, it was, well, the headlight doesn't work on there, you guys. It used to, but the headlight was out. And also, the motor sounds in very good condition, and the machine works fantastically. And I was thinking about getting a bright light over at Auto Place and AutoZone. And I want to use their light bulbs to put in the older. I'm going to get some bright lights for that old Hoover. And first of all, I wanted to make sure everything's alright. And make sure... I just wanted to make sure my job is to make sure everything is in good condition. Everything's in the right thing. And first of all... And I just want to refurbish them, re-clean them, refix them, and repolish them newer. And also, you guys, I'll see you in the next video. And make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see. I'll see you in the next video. I'll do some more vacuum cleaner videos. Okay? Bye.